literally right after I took those glamour shots with my car broke down. And it's way down there. I walked all the way over here because people were staring at me over there, probably because I was drifting this corner. So pretty much I was just practicing some left foot braking, trying to get some like a smoke show going on so I could hook the GoPro up and make it look badass. But I need to practice, so I was trying. Sorry, I had a phone call, so I don't know if that recorded or not, or if it stopped recording. Don't know what happens. So anyways, I was practicing some left foot braking around this random ass roundabout in a field, which I've never had any issues with. Even with these guys, I'm pretty sure they own it. I come down here all the time. But pretty much, so you can see the fucking camber on the rear tire. And that's how like much angle I was actually at. It's just not bad. Like 1 foot, I can literally spread my foot apart, and I'm only 5'8". And I can actually like, but anyways, so I was practicing some left foot braking. Here comes somebody. Shit. And hopefully I don't get in trouble. So I was practicing some left foot braking, and yeah, I came around. I was in first gear, so I was just trying to get as sideways as I can, get as much smoke as I can. I was gonna hit second gear, but I was in such like a crazy angle, like right here. I was gonna like try to transition over here, and so you can see the marks, but I ran out of gear, and that's why I straightened up. But I just started driving like down the road just a little bit, like right after these marks, and the fucking throttle cable broke or came loose. I actually thought it was electric throttle, but apparently it's not. So yeah, that sucks. So anyways, I got a tow truck coming. They're gonna load it up and take it to my house. And then when it cools down, hopefully Friday or Saturday, because I actually have a car meet Sunday, and I'll talk about that too. O'Reilly's actually sponsored us, so we get like a discount now, which is pretty kind of cool. But yeah, so Friday, Saturday, I'll take it apart, see what happened. Hopefully I can just rig it up. Hopefully. If not, then I'm going to tow my car to the car meet. But yeah, anyways, that sucks. What is going on, guys? So the car is back at the house. This is a few hours later. I had to run to town. So I have to go to Indiana tonight for work. And I won't be able to work on this today. I'm going to try to be home tomorrow night and have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. Sunday, I got the car meet, like I was saying. But essentially, pretty much what it looks like is I need to take all this out. This boot, see like right here, I can't see. Anyways, there's a rip in that boot, which is causing my check engine light and it to run rough. And I accidentally put it unleaded in it because it was the opposite of what it normally was at that station. What is going on, guys? I did not get home as fast as I wanted to, but shit happens. The car meet is tomorrow, so hopefully the cable is just popped off and not broken. Highly doubt it. But so we gotta start taking some stuff apart. First is gonna be all this trim, and then it's gonna be this cabin air filter, so that way we can get in there. I gotta take all these hoses off, or not hoses, but intake boots off, and yeah, maybe I'll set up the GoPro. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Wow. So guys, I got all this apart. We're all on a GoPro, which is sitting right there. So essentially, all I did was take this out of the boot that was holding it, and the ball wasn't even connected. It seems like The cable is not broke after all, which is a fucking good thing. But if you can see, this boot right here, which these are notorious for breaking anyways, it is actually bad. So we are going to have to replace that. Not right now because I don't have one, so I'm gonna have to order one, and then yeah, figure something out. Right now, I don't think there's much I can do for it, so we'll just leave it as it is. But it's gonna be a bitch anyways, because every single hose clamp is turned the wrong way. Well, that's all it was. The ball came out of the throttle. And yeah, so I started. It runs like shit because, you know, it's missing pretty much everything to measure air. So I just connected that ball in, started it. Ran like shit, you know, but I hit the gas and it did rev up. So we have a win. So I'm going to go in there. I'm going to make sure it's pushing all the way just in case, because I don't really want to do this again. And then we'll start assembling everything. And yeah, go from there. Alright guys, I started it up a couple times and the throttle is working great, so I think I pretty much lucked out on not having to buy a new throttle cable. But the rest of it is just putting a cabin air filter in. Alright guys, I forgot to make a outro. I was going to do the car scene, but the video is already at 7 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and you guys have a good day.